Gabi ng Misteryo.
Big labyrinth here. Python labyrinth sa Ciudad Verdadero. Pakinggan niyo yung maybe you can hear some sound. Tahimik, no? Ito po ang Ciudad Verdadero here in Quezon.
We are here. We are here to guide all of you. We welcome you in Ciudad Verdadero. We are from Arcturus. We would like to send the message to everyone. We love human beings. You have to love yourselves. Love one another. Learn more so that you will rise up from your low-level consciousness. We are here to guide all of you so that you will be ascended to higher dimensions. All portals now are opening to all of you. Don't miss all these chances. We will never, ever leave you all. We will protect Earth. We will protect the solar system. We will protect everyone on this planet. Thank you. We welcome you all.
Okay, saan tayo pa akyat? Tayo sa yan. Ito tayo sa malaking labyrinth here. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh, oh. Uy, how are you? Sakto. 11:11. Yes, we are here, Ray. We are here to give you more guidance, especially to everyone else in your group. We came from Arcturus, and we are here to educate you and to guide you to adjust your consciousness to higher level, to higher dimensions. We will never let any quarrel or any war to happen, but everything will be under the process. Of course, the changes on this world. Salamat po. You're welcome. We are here. Don't worry. We are always ready to help people of Earth. Salamat po. Thank you. Hi. Oh. Hello. Dahan-dahan. Madulas. Ito yung daan pababa. Yan. Workout din to. Si Brother J, inimbitahan ko na rito pero sabi niya baka workout eh. Oh yes, pero sa totoo lang tutulungan ka naman. Okay, here we go. Dito yung malalaki mga bato, mga boulders. Here. Kasama natin dito, pero from here ito yung isang malaking boulder dito. Ayan. Meron din dito sa taas. Akitin natin taas. Ang tabi po, ibisita lang po. Ayan. May malaking boulder dito. Actually, I don't know kung I think this one is mas malaki. Ito mas maliit eh. Natin. O, nasaan na siya? Parang nawala ah. Alam ko nandoon siya eh. Sa area na to. Ito, akyat. Kikiraan po. Masa na kayo? Pwede ba? Dito muna. Oops. Oops. Sorry. Nadaan lang po. Wow. Okay. Ito yung bukal dito. Guarded by the image of Saint Mary. May healing qualities yung tubig dito. So yung ginawa namin dito, kung ano yung mga maaaring problem sa katawan, i-haplos lang yung tubig. Pero normally, iniinom yung tubig dito. Salamat po, Syudad. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Gabi ng Misteryo.